Celebrities and socialites like the Trumps, the Vanderbilts, and the Kennedys call Palm Beach home. But let's not forget about Mr. Churchill and Jack.
Jack is my baby, and we travel all over the world together.
And speaking of pampered pooches, this is Macbeth sitting in his throne. In fact, he's a shopkeeper off Worth Avenue. Pets in Palm Beach can go just about anywhere.
In response to these Regal Rovers demands, Palm Beach Pet Society was launched, a magazine for cultured canines.
This is Mr. Churchill, who's our editing-chief. I have to work for him. He's a tough boss.
It's truly a pet paradise for these high-class hounds. Beautiful photographs and features on annual events like the Doggy Oscars make Palm Beach Pets a must-read among dogs and their celebrity owners.
There's someone here that actually has a butler and a chauffeur for their dog. A lot of people here buy real jewelry for their pets. And Mr. Churchill, unfortunately, only has a Tiffany one.
Young socialite Scarlett Power graces the cover of Pet Society with good reason.
I have 7 dogs. Some dogs I decided just to run loose around, and I like that they're so loving and gentle.
Scarlett, like many in Palm Beach, have a pet nanny to care for their dogs and at least 2 professional trainers full-time. Lulu Pontarelli is the society editor of Palm Beach Pet Society.
We get invited to all the parties.
Like any good socialite, she has an outfit for every occasion.
Oh, she likes to dress up.
For the Pet Report, I'm Mitch Wilder.